In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search across multiple sheets or tabs in Google Sheets. When you have a spreadsheet with lots of tabs, it can be frustrating to remember where a specific value is located. The good news is that Google Sheets can search through the entire file, not just the tab you are currently viewing. This method is ideal when you simply want to find a value and jump straight to it. Start by opening your Google Sheets file so you can see the grid and the sheet tabs along the bottom. Then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. A small search box will appear, usually near the top of your browser window. At this point, many people type their search term and stop there, but that typically searches only within the current sheet. To search across every tab, you will open the expanded options. Look to the right side of that small search box and click the icon with 3 vertical dots. This opens more options and takes you into the Find and Replace window. In the Find and Replace window, take a moment to locate the search dropdown. By default, it is often set to this sheet, which limits your search to the tab you are on. Click that dropdown and change it from this sheet to all sheets. This setting is the key because it tells Google Sheets to look through every worksheet tab in the file. Now type your search term into the Find field. Use the exact text, number, or identifier you are trying to locate. Then click Find. Google Sheets will move through each match it discovers, even if that match is on a different tab. As it cycles through results, pay attention to where the active cell jumps, because that is the location of the found value. If you have multiple matches, keep clicking Find to move to the next one until you reach the result you need. When you are finished, click Done to close the Find and Replace window and return to your sheet. That covers everything you need to know.